Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub. In today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to create an account with Perfect Money using your mobile phone. So let's get started. But before we get today's practical started, guys, if you are very new to this channel, remember to subscribe to the channel for more interesting tutorial about online payment. So let's get started. So I'm going to access the Perfect Money with my Google Chrome right here. So I have to make a new tab. Then here I will make use of address bar and type in perfectmoney.com. Enter. Now this is how it's going to open up. You can let me enlarge. Okay. Now the next thing you have to do is to tap on login here. So when you tap on login, this is going to present to you. Okay. So the next thing you have to do is to click on sign up. Then let me enlarge the form. This is the normal form you need to fill up before you can actually sign up on the Perfect Money website. So you have here, you have to enter the account name, then your full name here, your city, your address, and your country, and your zip code, your email address, and your phone number or fax number, then your password here, and the type of account, whether personal or business account, and you need to type in this security key into this box. So let's see how everything is done. Starting from the account name at the top, I'm going to name this account Excel. So you can see instruction of how you can name your account. So you're going to type in Excel account. Okay. Now the next one here is that instruction to fill your name is first name, any middle name, and surname. So the instruction is that you get to have enter your first name. This is my first name. Then any middle name and the surname. So with that, you are good to go. Now the next one here is your city. So Lagos. Now address here. You need to enter your address in that column. Sorry for interruption. So after entering your address, you need to click on here to choose your country. Next, you need to enter your postal code. Then you need to enter your phone number here. Then you need to select the type of account, which is a personal account here. But if your account is business type, choose business type. Then here, sorry for the stop. So here you need to enter your password. So finally, you need to type in this figure into this box here. Then at this point here, so you need to tap on here, I agree. So tap on that. Then finally, you click on register. right? There was an issue. Email address. Oh, sorry. I have to enter my email address. Then scroll down. Then we enter the other information. Then we enter my password. So I'm going to click on sorry for the store, register to resubmit the form. Boom. Sorry for the stop. Welcome to Community of Perfect Money. The registration of account is completed. Perfect Money has sent you an email with your member ID. Use it to log in the member area. We are glad to see you as a member. So this is a simple step on how you can actually sign up or create an account with Perfect Money without any stress. So I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you enjoyed this video, give the video a big thumbs up. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly do so that you don't miss out any information about online payment. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.